I hope that you are all doing well. Please make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to my channel because I post a new video every single day, and I love being able to support you guys and show up on here for you, and that's just a really great way for you guys to support me. And make sure please also that you share this video with anyone that you know who you feel like needs to hear these messages. Alright, so something that just came up for me after I just got out of the bathroom was I was thinking that, you know how there's a lot of people in the spiritual community right now who are becoming aware, they're awakened, or they've kind of been in this awakened state for some time now, but they are really struggling with this idea and this truth as well, that even though there are all these plots and schemes going on in the world right now to lower people's frequency and their vibration, there are also a lot of people in the common plot-based career paths or positions in this world that actually are really good people. So for example, right, there are still some good individuals in government. There are still good individuals who are working in Hollywood and in the media. There are good journalists and reporters. And I'm saying this, guys, I'm not trying to minimize the importance or the impact that people in these careers have on others, really, because a lot of our ideas come from those things. The everyday person who maybe isn't aware of these things. But I'm saying it to you because, you know, I know I've even gone through this myself as well. A couple years ago in the past, I went through this whole journey where I was finding out information about conspiracy theories and how people were causing harm to others. And even though I had this great hope and faith in other people, I really started to feel like people who are in those positions are bad people. They are the people who just want to hurt others. And although that absolutely is true, I mean, those careers, I feel like in those positions are dominated by people who have really bad motives for the whole of humanity. There are individuals who are in there who really care a lot. There are people in there who genuinely got into those positions because they wanted to help people, right? With everything that's happening in the world, right? When we see people who are hurt or harmed by others in some way, we start to perceive it as anyone who identifies in that particular group is a bad person, or there's someone who thinks the same way as all those other people, and that's not necessarily true. There are very good, wholesome police officers, and I think it's important for us to remember that, because right now more than ever, it's critical actually for us to come together and to unify. That's the most important thing right now, I think. And it's not about, your career path or which group you're in. None of that shit matters. The whole reason why literally we're here, guys, is to help one another. We're here to spread and share good, loving ideas to help other people grow and expand, to help ourselves to love in this world and make it better. We're here to create this world to be this amazing place that's good for people, that they can enjoy, and we're meant to enjoy this life ourselves as well. But sometimes we don't allow ourselves to even be in that energy because we're so focused on how we can label other people, or how we feel like other people are labeling us. We get caught up in these thought cycles where we're so focused on what people think um, about ourselves that we're not actually allowing ourselves to live our lives the way that we're being called to. And it's really hard to allow yourself to be in an energy where you fully love yourself, where you're fully proud of yourself, when you're so focused on what everyone else is doing and how you can compare to the next person, or how you feel like, you know, like you need to just be in constant conflict with another person or another group of people. Like, the spiritual community is meant to be one of love that accepts, honors, and cherishes every person, every being. It's not about like, you're in this career path, so that means you can't be a part of us, or if you're in this position, then that means that you must think this way and you're really a bad person, and you're trying to you're trying to like lower the vibration of the world and like the planet. And it's not true. Every person's journey is different, and some people literally came here to do their greatest transformative work when they're in those positions. Like, just think about how much they can learn just from being in those positions of perceived power, or those positions of just where they're surrounded by people who may not have the best interests of others at heart. Sometimes in those situations where you find yourself in them, that's the time where you really recognize, like, holy shit, like, this isn't for me. That there's so much more to the world than this. And being in those positions sometimes can really show you, like, how much you personally actually love and care for helping other people, and how you don't fit in with those people because they have ulterior motives that just doesn't vibe with you. It's not what you're here to do. You're here to help people. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I want you to keep that in mind when you're speaking with people, when you're seeing them, not, you know, passing ruthless judgments on them simply because they're in like a specific position or career path, or they're like an actor or an actress, you know. Because I'm starting to see how categorizing people by that is really creating more division and separation, which is exactly what the people want, who want to hurt us. That's what the people want, who are in this energy where they want to cause chaos, conflict, hurt, and harm to other beings. And so I don't want any of you to feed into that, because you don't deserve to, and that's not what you came here for. So guys, keep doing all the work that you're doing. I'm really proud of you, and I want you to share this video with someone who you feel like needs to hear these messages today. And I hope that you are all doing well. If you need any help on your spiritual journey, or if you would just like someone to offer a listening ear and support for you, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. I work as a certified life and spiritual coach. For any of you who are needing some support, I'd love to help you. And yeah, guys, I'm so grateful that you are here and you watch my videos. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.